Today we're in the new flight location at the beach, in better weather than last time, so the flight will not get cut short. I plan on flying over oceans quite a bit, and that's why I'm always highlighting it is really important to me putting a GPS on the quads. My solution, putting it on the arm, is really solid and I have great results. If you have interest, I highlight that in other videos, so please check them out. The surfer over there just checked out the AOS and was wondering what's flying around there. When trying the landing, just don't forget to turn off air mode, then you don't have the hopping around of the quad. Let's take a look at the flight right after the intro. Hey guys, it's Matt and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm flying over the ocean and it's one of the first times. It's great, I cannot crater into the ground, but blooping into the ocean is not much better and, well, let's see how it goes. Enjoy the flight, guys.
The sun is shining 24/7. 'Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Ooh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I'll be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table 'cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good. When I wake up in the morning and I see your face, I'm becoming blind by your dazzling grace. What a beautiful feeling.
Maybe some of you were wondering why the footage in the middle of the flight was looking a little bit crappy, and that's because I lost a lot of GoPro files. Turning off a GoPro can corrupt files, and I really have that problem with my GoPro Hero 8. When trying to recover those files, the solutions I have on hand didn't work, so I will have to live for now with what I have for this video. Therefore, I had to use mainly the gargle recorded files from the DJI Air unit, and well, it's not a really super bad quality, but it's really losing in contrast to the GoPro footage in the beginning and the end of the flight. Today's flight made me realize it's really hard to judge the height and the altitude of the quad. The ground is water and always moving in height. It's reflective and all blue on blue, and the sky is reflecting in the water. Then it's transparent. You see sometimes when you're diving down, you're seeing into the water on the ground of the seafloor, and it's really difficult to judge when you have to catch the quad that you are just above the waterline and not ending up as a submarine below. But it is a nice, fun location, and I'm planning on doing more out here. Another challenge is flying and then landing right on a spot on a clean mat, not in the sand, to get all the dirt into the engines. For that, I'm putting air mode on a switch that when landing the quad is not hopping around. That's fine. But positioning it right where you want it, that you are flying, and getting it right on the mat, that is a bit of a challenge, especially with the angle up tilt of the camera. That's why I'm also flying here with only 25 degrees and not 30, what I would want to when I'm flying over grass, and do not need to worry about being too precise when landing. Now the AOS build is final, and this is my first real flight with it. A new project is coming up, a super long-range cruiser, 7-inch, and I have the motors already. I chose the FPV Cycles 30mm ones. Stay tuned for that project. Like this video and subscribe to the channel that you don't miss out on that. And as always guys, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of the day, stay safe, and see you in the next one.